Hello, good morning. How are you today? I hope that all of you good, yeah? Today it's time for science. Are you ready? Let's start. Okay. Today the topic is cause of changes in nature. How do changes happen in nature? Some of changes happen very quickly, like when a large area is covered by the lava flowing from volcano eruption. Other changes happen slowly, over thousands or even millions of years. An example is when wind or water erodes rock to create caves, rock formation or canyons. We do not have much control over these natural changes, but human action like pollution and deforestation are causing more drastic changes that are greatly damaging our world. Erosion. Erosion is the geological process in which earthen materials are worn away and transported by natural forces such as wind or water. Cave formation. Cave formation are created when acid creates with limestone or a rock containing 80% or more calcium carbonate. These formations are found on the walls, ceiling, and floors of caves. Like this. This is the example of cave formation. And then next about landslide and erosion. A landslide is sliding downhill of loose rocks and soil. Landslides happen when the force holding soil or rock together are smaller than the force of gravity pulling them down. Erosion leads to more erosion. Rain can get into rocks and cause them to become unstable. When unstable, rock and soil get wet. They get heavier. The force of gravity pulls them more strongly. Land often moves more after a shocking rain. This is the example of landslide and erosion. Okay, next. Lava from volcanoes. Volcanoes are just a natural way that the Earth and other planets have a cooling off and releasing internal heat and pressure. Volcanoes erupt because of density and pressure. The lower density of the magma relative to the surrounding rock causes it to rise, like air bubble in syrup. This is the example of lava from volcanoes. And then the next point. Pollution is introduction of contaminants into the natural environment that cause adverse change. Pollution can take the form of chemical substance or energy such as noise, heat, and light. Pollutants, the component of pollution, can be either foreign substance or energies or naturally occurring contaminants. Pollution is often classed as point source or non-point source pollution. Like this. This is example of pollution from rubbish or from the factory. Like this. And the last about deforestation. The permanent removal of trees to make room for something beside forests. This can include clearing the land for agriculture or grazing, or using the timber for fuel, construction or manufacturing. Forests cover more than 30% of the Earth's land surface, according to the World Wildlife Fund. Like this. Deforestation. Okay, now I want you to open your book, page 21 until 22, and do it just on your science book. Okay, don't forget to submit on time. That's all for today. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.